Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to the yet another session of Food and Beverage Service. Dear students, today we shall be discussing about a very interesting topic, that is security legislation and safety and security at events. Before we begin, let me take this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself. I am Yogendra Singh Tanwar, working as an assistant professor at AISSMS College of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Pune. Dear students, if you have any queries or doubts, please feel free to drop me a line on my email address. The email address is displayed on your screen. Before we get into today's topic, let's understand the objectives. Today's objectives are to understand the security legislation for event management, understand 5 event management security practices to keep guests safe, and after the end of this session, you shall be able to define the types of NOC from government agencies to be obtained in state of Maharashtra for events. Now, security legislation. Let's understand the meaning and the definition. Under safety legislation, event management company and event organizers are responsible for security and safety of guests and staff at event site. So that is the law, that is the legislation. Now let's understand what is the meaning of security. The state of being free from danger or threat, or the quality or state of being secure. And what is the meaning of legislation? A law or a set of laws suggested by government and made official by parliament is known as a legislation. Now let's discuss about why effective security management is important in events. Now dear students, I would like to bring to the light a very unforeseeable event which happened in Paris, France on 13th November 2015. Terrorist attacks in Bataclan Concert Hall in Paris on evening of 13th November 2015 is one of the examples that tell us why effective security management is important in events and what are the consequences if the security and safety measurements fail. Now, Paris attacks of 2015 were coordinated terrorist attacks that took place in Paris, and at least 130 people were killed and more than 350 were injured. Dear students, number one from Bataclan, which is a very sad picture. Picture number two is picture number three. If you would like, you can go to Google and search by inserting Bataclan, Paris, France terrorist attacks. So you would be able to read more about it. Now let's discuss about 5 event management, security and safety practices to keep guests safe and minimize risk. So dear students, event security entails far more than just dotting the venue with security personnel. The process is quite complex and requires extensive coordination and communication. With the right security practices, you will ensure the safety of your guests and staff, and you will be able to prevent damage to the venue and related property. Now, we cannot stress enough the importance of security at events. Security keeps you covered in case of any injury to a guest, damage to property, crowd control, troublesome guest, and unexpected situation. That is why you must plan your security strategy during the planning process. The types of security you need will depend on the size, scope, location, and type of event you are planning. Security at big events such as festivals and concerts should be a priority since these events have a lot of footfall from the public and are prone to attacks and mismanagement. If an event security is not handled deftly, security issues could lead to incidents that prove embarrassing and costly for the hosting company and guests of the event. Now, event security is extremely important, and effective event security management does not only help to prevent breaches of safety and other illegal activities, however, it also makes guests of such events feel safe and at ease. Let us discuss most most important safety measures that we as security company or as an event manager or an event management company or event organizer we should swear by. These security measures and guidelines are very important to provide a good foundation for mitigating risk at events. Now, dear students, let's understand step by step. Number one is make a definite budget for event security. So, hire a security team that is professional and dedicated to the event's security. It is very important that your budget for event should allocate around 20% to security. Professionally, security company provides a comprehensive package for event security that includes guard security, guard patrol security, security management software, visitor management system, CCTV monitoring, and emergency alarm monitoring. Professional security companies deploys only the best security guard trained to handle different scenarios. To ensure the seamless integration of security into an event operations, a professional security provider company should be involved in event planning from day one. Now, dear students, let's look at point number two. Now you have to research and manage your guest with the help of a visitor management system. Now it is very important in high profile events to have the same procedure as is employed at airports for security checking. You are essentially required to have a metal detectors, bomb sniffing dogs, and X-ray machines at all entry points along with armed security guards. Tell your guest to come ahead of time on the invitation that any bags or briefcases will be searched and passed through an X-ray machine. Cut-off time for late arrivals. If some guests arrive late, do not let them in. Manage your visitors through a visitor management system in real time. Provide entry badges to your guests to ensure that guests are authorized. Now let's have a look at one of the videos to understand it better.
TrackForce Valiant is the leading platform designed to monitor, manage, and automate your security officer operations in real time. Enhance security, increase operational productivity. Customizable incident and activity reports. Guard tours and patrols. Real-time tracking and alerts. Geolocation and dispatch. Post-order management. Live dashboard. Automatic time and attendance tracking. Global Security Operations Center. Completely customizable and scalable from one site to hundreds. Never miss a thing. Guide your officers through their assigned task. Real-time reports and KPIs at your fingertips. Analytics show you how to make your operations more efficient, enabling you to grow your business without increasing headcount. TrackForce Valiant also helps you provide better service, resulting in satisfied clients. Over 200,000 security professionals around the world are already using TrackForce Valiant. What are you waiting for?
Now let's look at point number 3, that is choose a safe venue and get a detailed layout of event venue. Now why it is important? When selecting the location for any event, select a safe venue. It is very important to prepare a checklist of security questions. Don't forget to ask for evacuation plans in case of an emergency, the location of all emergency exits, access for paramedics, and contingency plan in case of bomb threats or power outages. It is very important to get a detailed layout of event venue to avoid unauthorized entry. Get updated with the floor plan of the venue as well. This way you can keep security covering all entrances and exits. Now look at the point number 4, that is how keeping communication up throughout the event and after will help you. Now, for better security management or to look after something that is valuable, ensure that it is communicated to all involved. If someone important arrives late to the event, that should be communicated to the event security detail to prevent unauthorized entries and security breaches. After the event, reporting problems that arise or that could have been avoided should also be communicated and discussed so as to learn from them and to provide better services to guests. Let's look at the last and the final point, that is emergency planning. So dear students, for good event security management, you should have at least one backup plan in case of emergency. An effective backup plan includes venue evacuation plans, the availability and accessibility of emergency medical care, and thoroughly briefing event staff prior to the staff prior to the start of the event. Do not forget to examine your existing event contracts and review your insurance policy to check on specific coverage. Now, dear students, let's look at the NOC from government agency agencies to be obtained in Maharashtra state for events for safety and security legislation. Now, there are a couple of NOCs which you need to obtain. NOC is No Objection Certificate. Number one, NOC from the Traffic Department, NOC from the Fire Brigade Department, NOC from the Electrical Inspector, NOC from the Health Department, NOC from local police station, and you would also need a certificate regarding fitness of the machinery in case of amusement rides. Now, dear students, let us understand what happens if event risks are not defined. Now, safety and security plan begins by defining the risks, as we all know that. If risks at the event are not defined, the event management company and event organizers may have to face unfavorable circumstances such as injuries to the persons, damage to the property, adverse business impact such as a loss of revenue or increased operating cost, higher insurance premiums due to claim and lawsuits, even disruptions such as late or cancelled showings stemming from security threats, and also inadequate venue capacity and services such as food, parking, services and facilities, and traffic control, leading to patron dissatisfaction and the potential for escalation. Now, dear students, these are some of the references I have used. I have used a book by Sitaram Singh on event management, and I have also referred Britannica.com. And for the video, I have referred Trackforce.com, and I have used the images from Google. Now, last but not the least, please like and subscribe the channel. Also attempt the quiz related to the topic through the link provided in the description of the YouTube video. Dear students, thank you very much for listening patiently and thank you for your time and attention. See you in next video. Until then, happy learning. Have a great day ahead and bye everyone.